guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie Sweet Tooth dance practice. So I'm super excited kasi parang 12 days ago na since nung nag-upload ako ng reaction video. And guys, sobrang saya ng Beanified. May mga in-upload akong fan cams. Siguro 4 na video yon kasi yung fan cams ko kasi is portrait siya. So, ayoko mag-upload dito sa YouTube kasi nga portrait. Pero, yung mga in-upload ko lang is yung feel ko na gusto nyong mapanood and gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung fan cam na yon. So, ayan. I'm super excited dito sa dance practice kasi grabe yung choreo dito. And, sobrang excited ako sa mga i-release pa nilang performance video or dance practice, yung mga nandun sa schedule nila. So, ayan guys, sobrang saya ng Beanified. And grabe, parang, alam mo yun, sobrang saya. Ang dami kong na-meet. And then, before Beanified, na-meet ko din yung mga international reactors. So, sobrang saya lang. Na-meet ko si Kes and Hans, si Brooke, si Elizabeth and Mari, tapos si Kai, si Doki and Ambriel, and then yung K-Twins. So, parang, alam mo, sobrang cool lang nung meet namin. Pero, medyo dumugo yung ilong ko. Like, tahimik ako. So, thank you din kay attorney for inviting me dun sa dinner with the international reactors. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung invite. Kasi, ayun nga, parang, grabe yung chance na yon na maka-dinner yung mga international reactors, diba? Sobrang cool lang nila and sobrang na-enjoy nila yung Filipino food. Kaya I'm super happy din kasi ayun nga, yung actually lahat sila nagustuhan yung sinigang. So, diba? Parang lahat naman tayo favorite yung sinigang. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko, hindi ko alam kung pansin nyo ba o rinig nyo, pero medyo may sipon and ubo kasi sumakit yung lalamunan ko the last 3 days before the concert. Ang dami kong ganap. So, ayan, ngayon, ito na, nag-countdown na yung video. So, malapit na siya mag-start. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start. Let's go! Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God, the beats! Oh my God! Like yung fits, it's giving, Puppy Line era ng 8. Pero parang yung kay Maloy and Aya may pagkakikay. Sino pa ba? Pero the rest, parang Puppy Line. Oh my God! Oh my God, yung Juliet. Oh my God. Parang si Colette dito, parang si Lisa. Like, nakabikini tuloy. Nakabini. Parang yung aura niya, parang din sa isang dance performance ni Lisa sa channel niya. Wala lang, naisip ko lang bigla kasi I cannot start pa lang, nag-post na agad ako. Tapos si Mika in red. Let's go! The body waves. I cannot. Resort ni Maloy. Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hurt. I should try something healthy. The synchronization is crazy. Di pa ako makamove on sa solo prod mo, so please kalmahan mo. Like yung solo prod yun ni Colette. Oh my God, the visuals. Oh, I love that. Yung iba't iba sila ng choreo na ginagawa. Like si Jo, tapos si the rest. Lucky Insane, tapos Insane. Yung sa dalawang gilid. Oh my God, this Colette! I cannot. I love this look of Colette. You really have to work for it, still don't get allowed. It's 4 AM, I'm still up in the dark. I love that. But how can I self-regulate? The domino effect. I should try something healthy, but I love that. Oh, Jalat here, and then Aya sing. Ano ba Aya sing? Gwen. I saw that. Look at Gwen. Oh my God, go lang. Oh my God. Parang nakita ko yung konting pag-move ni Maloy doon. Look at Maloy. Cute. Oh my God.
Wanna get over it, but do I really,
My
really
gosh,
want
Ina.
to? If I'm here every night, dream about
Oh,
your
the duo.
sweet tooth.
Duos pala.
Sweet
Hey! Joanna! Stop with the lip bite.
tooth.
Look at the...
Sweet tooth.
Hey! She's feeling it. Hey! The swag.
Addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my
Oh my God, Gwen.
Now I can't
Hey!
want you. I know there's plenty of words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Hey! Let's go! Nakita ko na naman yung lip bite mo, Joanna Robles. Look at her. Ah! Stop. Grabe naman yung mga pa-crop top na yan. Tapos lahat sila nakatingin kay Gwen. Wow, damn! Look at them. Wow, the visuals. And sobrang gusto ko yung yung dance room. Kasi ang simple lang, tas sila talaga yung nag-shine. I will watch it again because why not? Itong posting nila dito sa start. Hey!
Like watermelon gum. It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. This Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone.
Wow!
Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart.
Grabe yung...
Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my
Wala,
heart.
grabe yung swag.
But how can I
Kahit ang sweet
self-regulate
ng
your
song.
love's got me hooked. I should try something
May
healthy,
kakalawaan mo.
but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet
Eh, grabe ka na, Maloy.
Now I can't help but feel
Wow, the fit.
I know there's plenty of
Hey.
addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and
Parang familiar yung damit ni Jo.
my sweet tooth.
Oh my gosh.
Problem with the heart.
Guys, hindi na mahalatang o sino bias ko, di ba? I think nakita niyo sa start yung nandito, sa side na to. Pero hinahatak ako talaga ni Jo.
Really have to work for it, but still don't get allowed. It's 4 AM, I'm still up in
Damn.
the night. Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I
Hey.
can't help it feel
Grabe talaga yung...
you. I know there's plenty of words,
Yung
addictions,
lambot ng
but I
katawan
just
siya.
can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, or do I really want to? If I'm
Hey! Oh my God!
trying to fight my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, but do I really, really want to? If I'm here every night, dream about your sweet tooth.
Oh my God! I mean, sobrang catchy nung beat and nung song.
I know there's plenty of words, addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and
napansin ko din yung mga travel ni Aya na malalayo ulit. Sobrang favorite part ko itong parang dance si Joke talaga eh. Damn! Oh my God. Like, I cannot. Okay. Sabi ko, papanood ko last na, pero
like watermelon gum. It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. This Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone.
wow, the body wave. Look at Stacy.
I hope it's never gone.
Damn.
Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hurt. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Hey, grabe si Aya.
Sweet tooth. No, I can't help it if I don't want to. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Yeah. Problem with the heart of candy rocks.
Sabi yung nandito lang si Aya kanina, tapos nandun na siya. Tapos ngayon nandun na ulit siya.
It's 4 AM, I'm still up in the dark. Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop. But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hooked. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth. No, I can't help it if it wants you. There's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. You wanna get over it, but do I really want to? If I'm out late at night, trying to fight my sweet tooth. Wanna get over it, but do I really want to? If I'm here every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help it if it wants you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I
Tsaka sobrang dami nilang movements sa choreo. Like, parang imposible siyang magawa ng hindi dancer. Siyempre, hindi nga dancer.
just can't help
Pero, alam mo yun, yung parang pagpapanood yung parang ang dali. Ang daming hand movement. Like yung lipat-lipat ng pwesto. The footworks.
Me and my sweet tooth.
Wow. So, ayan, hindi naman halatang nagustuhan ko yung dance practice kasi 3 beses ko siya pinanood. Grabe yung fits. Like, sobrang angas nung fits nila. Ayun nga, parang si Maloy at si Aya, yung parang girly, pero alam mo yun, may halong puppy, ganon. Tapos yung the rest, parang puppy outfit na. So, diba, grabe yung angas. Lalo na si Colette, dun sa nakabinis talaga si Colette dito sa dance practice na to. Grabe yung choreo. Kasi napanood naman na natin yung Showtime performance nila. Pero ito yung naka-steady yung camera. So, kitang-kita mo yung galawan nila, diba? Yung mga travel nila sa mga pwesto nila. And yung synchronization, yung, alam mo yun, yung mga hand movements. And kung gaano sila talaga ka-smooth gumalaw as a group, as Beanie, diba? So, grabe yung mga facial expression. Like si Joanna, ayaw kumalma, talaga naglilip bite siya. And yung dance room na ginamit nila dito, simple, so nag-stand out sila. So, ayun lang. Sobrang na-miss ko guys mag-reaction video. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako mag-upload kasi this weekend wala ulit ako. Lilipad na naman ako parang paru-paro. Tatagos na ako sa pader guys. Dito sa mga na-meet ko sa Beanified. Nice meeting you guys. And thank you sa mga nagbigay ng freebies. Actually, hindi ako nag-hunt ng freebies noon kasi nga Philippine Arena, medyo napagod na din ako. Sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-hunt ng freebies kasi ayun nga, ang sakit ng paa ko, tapos ang layo ng parking namin, tapos ang kinuha ko lang talaga nung yung plano ko talaga kunin nun is yung OT8 banner from Bloom Philippines. So pero at least may mga PC pa din ako nakuha ng freebies, ayun nga, sa mga nakikita ko on the spot. So thank you so much guys sa mga freebies. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!